Hi everyone. Welcome back with the fifth Sudoku. It's a binary puzzle, I see. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. We have a double O here, so here one, then one. A double one here an O, and then O. A double one here an O, and then O. A double O here and one, then one. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here one, then one. Double one here and O, then O. Double O here one, then one. Double O here one, then one. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here one, then one. Double one here O, then O. Double O here one, then one. Between 2 ones comes an O. And then I think I need to compare. Yes, because I cannot continue. Yeah. 011, 011. No, I do not have. This is almost the same. Ooh, the 4th one. Okay. Yeah. We look to this column and the last column. Let's compare 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Empty box, empty box, empty box. I need the 4th one. If I place the 4th one here, then I have the same column. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. 3 O's. Okay. And then let me see. 3. 4 ones. Yes, 4 ones we have. So the rest are O's. And in this column is almost the same. Let's compare 1 1 0. Oh, this row is almost the same with that row. Let's compare 1 1 0 0, empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So I need to switch these 2 numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Alright. Double 1 here and O, then O. We have 4 O's now, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double 1 here and O, then O. 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's, the rest are O's. Then do we need to compare again? That's the question. No, 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then Yeah, look. This row and that row, the last row. Let us compare. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0 empty box 1 1. So I need to switch these two numbers. Otherwise I will have identical rows if I place a 1 and a 0 here. So these, we have a 1 here, this should be an 0. We have a 0 here, this should be a 1. And now, double 1 0 10 10. No, can I? Yeah. Let me compare again this row and the second row. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 empty box 0 0. So I need to switch these two numbers. With a 1 here, this should be an 0. With a 0 here, this should be a 1. Alright, 1 2 3, and this is number 4. Double 0 here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 7 minutes exactly. Yes. Great Sudoku. A lot of almost identical columns and rows. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic Sudoku. So see you and bye bye for now.